everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to create an automation rule and triggers in Bitrix24. So glad you see, hit that like button and let's get started. Create automation rules and triggers. Creating an automation rule or trigger is simple. First, decide on the scenario you want to implement. Then select the desired automation rules and configure them. Triggers tracks customers' actions, CRM events, and move CRM items to the stage with the trigger. Automation rules, however, do not track actions. They run and perform actions when the item reaches their stage. To configure automation rules and triggers, go to CRM, select the desired item, and open the automation rule tab. So, here in I am doing this in lead section. Like the told you, we have deal section also. Here also you can do automation rules. So clicking on here we have automation rules tab. I'm clicking on that. Here the interface you can see stages wise. Already we are implement according to our scenario. We added some automation rules to here. So to add an automation rule or trigger, click on the create button or you can see here stage wise add button. You can also add that one where you want to add that automation rule. Automation rules and triggers are in the same list. There is a trigger marker after the action named to designate a trigger from your rule. You can also use a filter to find them. You can also see here our filter search bar. If you want automation rules means you can click on the automation rule or otherwise you want automation triggers means you can click that one. Okay. In recent it was not showing. Select a stage from setting up the automation. Now I taken in new stage. I want to create an automation rule in new stage. So I want to add a notification to my employee. So I'm going to employee alert and adding add notification. Here we can see I got that notification. I'm noting this hello responsible person. Please check the lead in which stage. I just added sample notification. So I'm saving it. We have to save double. So you can see here my automation rule. In that way, we can add our automation according to our scenario. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.